In this video, we'll show you how to get pipeline notifications from Chatbot. Go to the Vertex Pipelines code lab and copy the codes one by one. Run each of them in Cloud Shell and Notebook. Open Chat. Create a chat room and the webhook. Copy the webhook URL. Go back to the notebook. Specify that URL to which the pipeline component will send an HTTP request. Specify the notification message. Run the pipeline and click the pipeline job link. That's it. To learn more about Vertex Pipelines, check out the links in the video description.